Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing PenGPT. But before we get into that, while you're waiting for my next video, scammers are still targeting you right now. That's why I put together this research system that you can use right away. So link in the description down below for you guys to check out. And with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So as you can see, we have it here opened up on Amazon. And if you don't know what this is, it is basically just a pen that you scan on a piece of paper. So for example, you're answering a quiz or a test, and then you just scan this across a sentence or a mathematical equation, and it'll basically answer it and give you answers on the screen right here. And if you're wondering if this is legit, there are only 4 ratings here on Amazon with 3.6 out of 5 stars, and basically no reviews no people that have left customer reviews, but only ratings. Also, it goes same here for Walmart. There are no reviews for it. And if you look here on Grindsoft, that the PenGPT.store is not likely safe. So it's a suspicious website. So please guys, I would advise you to do some more research about this one and not buying it online, since your credit card information or your personal information might as well be compromised. And that is basically it guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.